Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, children, good morning. We were doing what? Previous class, you remember? Determiners?
Yes.
Let me share this with you very quickly. I'll just be sharing the screen with you. We had done certain exercises. Few were still left. We'll try and complete them today. Yes, let's start. We had done certain exercises. Let me start with you again. You remember the determiners we had used yesterday? We did differences between some and any. Few of you, the few, little or little and the little. We had done this. This one we had done, Allison. Let's do the second one. Right? You have to find the error in the determiner and the correction. I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Please plan your answers, then we'll discuss with them. Yes, children, ready? Children, are you ready or should I wait for another minute?
Ma'am, just doing.
Okay, beta. Okay, no issues. Take a few minutes more.
Adi wants to join me.
Beta, the second one, error in the correct word. Just plan your answers and we'll start
Ma'am.
discussing.
Ma'am, Anadi is waiting in the waiting.
Was she there earlier in the class?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she got disconnected.
Okay, then it's fine. I'll just admit her. Just 1 second. Plan your answers and once all of you are done. Yes. Let me know once you're done, we'll discuss. Yes, children. Should I start or should I wait?
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Is there anyone who wants me to wait or should I start discussing the answers now? You must have planned. You don't have to write. I told you earlier also you don't have to write. Let's start the answer discussion. First, you will tell me the error, that is the wrong word, and then we'll go for the correct answer. The general election were to be held next month. Elections were to be held next
Ma'am.
month.
Ma'am, were to be.
Were.
Beta, it is elections, so where is correct? There is another mistake. Hold is wrong. Very good. Hold is wrong. What should be the correct word?
Held.
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 Polling officer could be appointed. Could be.
Could.
Ma'am, could.
Could is wrong. What is the correct word then?
Would.
Ma'am, should be up.
Would.
Would be appointed. We are going to future tense. Okay. The task of appointing observes might completed. The task of appointing observes. It should be
Observe.
yes, observe. Allot papers will be sent to their proper places.
Allot is the error.
Yes, allot is the error. So what should be the correct word?
Ballot papers.
Ballot papers, or you can say, yes, ballot papers is correct. Very good. You can have a B over here. In fact, all the arrangements had made. What is the wrong word?
Had.
Yes,
Had.
is. And what should we put over here? All the arrangements dash made.
Were made.
Were made.
Were made is correct. The general elections must be sold smoothly. Obviously, this is a wrong word, sold. What should be the correct word?
Ma'am, hold.
Hold. Very good, very good. But every precaution has to be taken before.
Take.
Take is wrong. What is the correct answer?
Taken.
Has to be taken.
Taken. Very good. Has to be taken. Before the casting of votes take place. The security guards have already. What is the mistake?
Ma'am, has. Ma'am, has.
Have is the incorrect.
Why? It is guards, no? So guards, so we have plural only. You'll find the mistake here. The security guards have already been dispatched to the polling stations. Now you will find the mistake. What is the wrong word? Dispatch.
Ma'am, dispatched.
It should be dispatched. Very good. The security guards have already been dispatched to the polling stations. Good, Beta. So this was error detection. This is a different kind of an exercise. One word has been omitted. One word is missing. You have to find the missing word. Supposing, have you ever seen dash banyan tree? So what is missing over here? What should be between seen and banyan?
Uh,
So the missing word is a, and before the word is seen and after the word it is banyan. That we'll do later. As of now, you just find out the missing words. Chalo beta, your time starts now. Plan your answers. Let us discuss them. Just plan the missing word. Huh? Don't get worried about the word after and before. Let me know once you're ready.
I'm done.
Okay. One child is already done. What about others?
Ma'am, done.
Good.
Ma'am, done.
Should we start this? Or is there anyone who,
Yes.
so there is no one who wants me to wait? That means we can start discussing
Yes.
the answers. Good. Chalo beta, tell me the first one now. I'll read out the sentence and you will simply tell me which is the word which is missing. Or should you read out? Would anyone like to read out or should I only do it? Nobody wants to read out? Chalo, I'll only read out. Have you ever seen a banyan tree? The banyan must be biggest tree found in India.
The biggest tree.
Must be the biggest tree.
Biggest tree. Perfect. The biggest tree. A full-grown banyan tree is as high as 3-storied building.
As a 3-storied building.
As
As high as this is what you're saying over here. A should be there. Perfect. Is as high as a 3-storied building. We don't see banyan trees in cities. They are so huge that very
we don't see it.
any. Because yesterday we said now with negative sentences any is used. We don't see any banyan trees in cities. They are so huge that they can grow. They can only grow in open places. Banyan looks like palace.
Banyan looks like a palace.
Perfect. Banyan looks like a palace standing on pillars. It doesn't have just main trunk.
It doesn't have one.
Here it is. They are so huge that they can only grow in the open places. Here it was
Yes.
here. And here it is a palace. Just now you give me the answer, a palace. Now tell me. It doesn't have just main trunk. like others do?
Just the main trunk.
Just
Very
a.
Just main trunk.
Just a main trunk like others do. It has many roots coming down. These hanging roots enter ground.
Enter the
ground.
ground.
Enter
the ground. Enter the ground.
Enter the ground and look like smaller trunk.
Many smaller trunk.
Many.
Look a smaller
Like
trunk.
a smaller trunk.
Like a smaller trunk. It's not trunks. It's not trunks, so we cannot use many. We could have not gone for plural, so it was a. Chalo. Have you seen a banyan tree? The banyan must be the biggest tree found in India. A full-grown banyan is as high as a 3-storied building. We don't see banyan trees in cities. Yes. What was the sentence here? What was the word?
Any banyan trees.
Any.
They are so huge that they can only grow in open places. Yes. What did we put? Very good. The banyan looks like dash palace. What was the word?
A palace.
Like a
Palace.
palace.
Palace standing on pillars. It doesn't have dash main trunk.
A main trunk.
Very good. Just a main trunk like others. It has many roots coming down. These hanging roots enter ground.
Enter the ground.
And look like dash smaller trunk.
Like a
A
smaller trunk.
smaller trunk.
Look like a smaller trunk. Let's do this one. Do this one quickly. Did I do this one now? Plan your answers.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am done.
Tell me, others, should I discuss or should I wait?
I'm done.
Ma'am, done.
That means almost everyone is done. We can start discussing. Here also you have a missing word. We don't have to do error detection in this case also. So you have to find the missing word. And to find the word before and after the missing word is pretty easy. So we are not practicing that point. Let me start checking the last exercise of this with the minus. It was not new emotion.
Not a new emotion.
New emotion.
Doubt was my oldest enemy. I knew well.
I knew
I
it.
knew
I knew
It
it
well.
well.
Very good. I knew it well. Yet, I had never expected to arrive so suddenly.
Never expected it to come.
Never expected it to come.
Oh, good. Never expected it to come so suddenly. There was feeling that I would be free from it.
There was
There
a
was
feeling.
a feeling.
There was a feeling.
Good. There was a feeling that I would be free from it, but was not so. More I
But
tried,
It was not so.
it was not so. More I tried, the more I felt confused.
The more I
The
tried,
more I tried.
Very good. The more I tried, the more I felt confused. But way had to be found at any cost.
But a way had to be found.
Away.
but a way.
A way. I could not start work without tension.
to
Start
The work.
Start any work.
Tell me the last one. What is missing?
Any.
I could not start work without any tension.
Yes, any tension or any work without tension, both are correct. Anyone of you, please read out the entire thing. Put the correct words at proper places and read out the paragraph. Put on start. Let me see who will do it. You have to read out the entire part beta paragraph, inserting the correct words which we had discussed. Start.
Ma'am, I'll do it.
Okay, Snehal wants to do. Let her try. Others also. One more child has to do. So be ready. Yes, Snehal, start.
It was not a new emotion. Doubt was my oldest enemy. I knew it well. Yet I had never expected it to arrive so suddenly. There was a feeling that I would be free from it. But it was not so. The more I tried, the more I felt confused. But a way had to be found at any cost. I could not start any work without tension.
Very good. Very good. Fluently included all the words. One more child. Come on, who will take up this? Speak out. Any one of you. The entire paragraph, fill the words, whatever are supposed to be there.
It was not a new emotion. Doubt was my oldest enemy. I knew it well. Yet I had never expected it to arrive so suddenly. There was a feeling that I would be free from it, but it was not so. The more I tried, the more I felt confused. But a way had to be found at any cost. I could not start any work without tension.
Excellent, Anadi. Wonderful. Yesterday I talked about the differences between some and any. I hope you remember them. Any is used with interrogative and
Negative sentences.
Negative
Negative.
sentences.
negative sentences. And with positive assertive sentences, we use
Some.
Some.
and we did little, a little, the little, few, a few, and the few. I hope you remember that. This is not very clear, but let's try doing it. Okay, this exercise. This one. Let's go out and watch this one. This is not clear, dear. I know this Ravi and Raman conversation, but let us try this. The sixth one. Prepare the answers. Let's discuss. Let me know once you're ready.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, what's
Yes,
the
ma'am.
last sentence? The Raman
Last,
last sentence.
let me try reading it. Otherwise, I'll share a new PDF with you. Raman says, I'd like to see Dash film with lots of songs and dances, but not Dash emotional tear jerker.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
Okay. Okay, thank God. Somebody from the boys also is responding. You people only speak. Come on. First blank. Speak out. What is the answer? Let me know.
Ravi, Ravi, let us go out and watch a nice film tonight.
Then, very good.
There isn't.
Speak beta. There isn't.
There isn't any good
Good. There isn't any because we are going for a negative sentence. We have used any. Good, good. Next.
We will have to walk some distance to catch an auto.
Good. Very nice. Good, good. Very nice. Yes, next.
Which film would you like to
Which
see
film
there?
would you like to see there?
Which film would you like to see there? Come on, the last part now.
I'd like to see a film with lots of songs and dances,
Yes.
but not much emotional tearjerker.
Yes. Very good. So this is perfect beta. This is nice. So did you understand this? How to do? Let me see if there's any other passage we have not done. Okay, let me change the PDF. We have finished this. Yesterday we had completed this, all these exercises. Let us have more practice for determiners only. Okay. I hope you know the common determiners we have used now. Remember much, many, some, any, mine, yours, all the possessives, demonstratives like this, that, these, those, all of them can be included. Children, another exercise with determiners on your screen. Plan the answers. Yesterday I explained this part to you. You know the differences, some, any, much, many, little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few. Plan your answers for the first 5 sentences, then we'll discuss.
Ma'am, done.
Done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Speak out the
I'm
first
done.
sentence. Come on, one of you speak out the first sentence. Give me the correct answer.
There hasn't been much rain in this district for the past 2 years.
Perfect. Do
Many
you all
villages.
agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, someone else now, please. Second. No, first let her complete this. Complete this, beta.
Many villages experienced drought last year, and a few people fear that the same story may be repeated this year.
Very good. A few people fear that. Too good. Yes, now the second one. Who will speak? Speak.
I
Come on.
put a few drops of oil in the log and left it for a while. After that, I had a little difficulty to opening it.
I had a little difficulty in opening it. I put a few drops of oil. Very good. You're taking it positive. Now third one, beta. Tell me the third one.
Gaurav is a vegetable vendor. He has very little education and he does not earn much money. However, with the little money he earns, he is able to educate his 2 daughters.
Excellent. Very nice. The little money he earns. Okay. He is able to educate his two daughters. Very nice. Yes. Someone else now. The fourth one.
It is not good to eat too many chocolates. You should practice some self-restraint.
Very good. Very good. What is restraint? What is the word self? Yeah. Self-control. Good. Okay. Who will read out the fifth one?
Many plants can survive even in places where there is hardly any rainfall.
Perfect. Can we have another answer also here? There can be one more word which will be correct in this case. Many plants can survive.
Some plants,
Some plants.
Some plants.
Some plants.
Yes, it can be some plants. It can be a few plants. Okay. So we can have more than one options also. So don't worry about this part. Some plants can survive. Many can survive. What can survive? You can take it. Let's move on to the next ones now. Let me show it to you. Plan your answers from 6 to 10. Let us discuss.
Ma'am, done.
I'm done.
Ma'am, done.
Then
I'm done.
Very good, Beta. This time also you have almost done. Yes, speak out the sixth one.
I need some
I
eggs
need some
to
eggs
bake the
to bake
cake,
the
but
cake,
I
but I
cannot
cannot
see
see
any.
any in the refrigerator.
Very, very good. Perfect usage of summon in. Too good. Next.
I had a little money in my pocket, but the little money that I had in my pocket was not adequate to buy ice cream for the two of us.
Perfect. We can have more options here. Tell me what more options can be taken. Yours is perfectly correct. Something else can also come here.
I had some money.
Some money. Yes. Some money, a little money, both are correct. Who will speak the eighth one? Eighth one. Come on, Pranjal, would you like to speak? Yes. Pranjal, would you like to speak? Zeba,
Yes, ma'am.
better speak the eighth one.
Uh, some family friends came to greet my grandparents. Few friends who came to meet my grandparents had a gala time with them.
Very good. Very good. Few friends or the few friends both have would been correct. That would have perfectly been correct. Good. Shivam is there. Shivam. Yes, Shivam, are you there? Or invisible man? Both the boys are invisible. Pranjal is also invisible. Just now they were speaking.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Pranjal is there. Okay, Pranjal, give me the answer to the ninth one.
I am little busy, Sakshi. I will call you back in an hour.
Is the answer correct? I am little busy. Little busy or a little busy?
Ma'am, a
A
little.
little busy.
Because little is negative. That means you're not busy. So take it in positive, make it a little busy. Okay, Shivam is not there, I suppose. Surabhi, you tell me the 10th one.
Are you thirsty? There is a little juice left in this bottle if you would like it.
Correct. What other answer can be here in place of a little juice?
There's some juice.
There is some juice left.
Right. There is some juice. This is very easy for you. You can easily do this. Yes, let's do this. Let's do this together only. Dash color tiles have you used in your bathroom?
Which color?
Which color?
Dash did they cost?
How much
How
did
much?
they cost?
Dash cartons will be required to pack these items.
How many?
How many?
Dirty clothes are lying on my chair. Are they yours, Ragini?
Whose?
Correct. Dash money should I save every month to be able to buy a car after 5 years?
How much?
How much money?
How much? Dash time do you need to finish this painting?
How much?
How much?
Dash style did Charles Dickens use in his writing?
Which style?
Very which style? Dash cat is trotting through your yard. Does it belong to Miss Annie?
Whose?
Whose?
Yes. Very good. Dash are you reading these days?
What?
What are you reading?
Good. Dash season do you like the best?
Which?
Which?
Good. Dash are you reading these days? Dash time do you spend on your studies?
What are you reading
What
these
are you
days?
Are
reading
you
these
reading
days?
how much time?
How much time?
What time?
Yes. How much time? Dash is the color of your puppy.
What is the color of
What
your
is the
puppy?
color of your puppy?
Dash breed does it belong to?
Which breed does it belong to?
belong to?
Dash sugar shall I add to it?
How much sugar?
How much sugar?
How much?
Very good. What is the difference between much and many? You know now? Everybody knows? Sure? Okay. Tell me this one.
Okay,
There
ma'am.
was a... Yes, Peter?
Ma'am, in the 10th one,
Let me
ma'am,
do- Yes, now I can see. Dash are you reading these days? How much are you reading?
yes, ma'am, can we use how much?
Yes, you can have how much
And
also. Yes. How much? What? How much are you reading these days? What time do you spend on your studies? It can be the opposite as well. Tell me suitable determiners. There was a program on television about dangers to dash environment.
To the environment.
The environment.
Very good. There was also dash article. Good. Dash article.
Was an
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 article.
Very
An
nice.
article.
Oh, good. My father bought dash lovely journals from London.
Some lovely.
Some, maybe, a few,
Yes, ma'am.
all of them. There are dash fruit trees in Dash garden.
Some
Many.
fruit
There
trees
are
in the garden.
any in my garden.
In the garden.
There are many fruit trees in the
The
garden.
The garden.
Yes, my garden. Dash employees has been assigned dash